In this video, I'll show you how to use a scalp brush to improve your scalp and hair health naturally. Anybody who wants thicker, healthier hair can benefit from scalp brushing. And if you use a topical product like Minoxidil or Maxoxidil, then you really need to be using a scalp brush to maximize absorption of the liquid into the scalp. Okay, let's get started. So a scalp brush is obviously a very simple handheld tool. You'll sometimes also see it being called a scalp massager brush or a shampoo brush. It's typically made of silicone and it has soft, flexible bristles on the side that makes contact with the head. But unlike regular hair brushes, which detangle and straighten hair, scalp brushes are directed at the scalp itself. It's generally quite pleasant to use as the gentle massaging can be very relaxing. The soft bristles gently exfoliate the scalp, remove dead skin cells, oil, and product buildup. This can help reduce dandruff and create a healthy environment for hair growth. You can use them for this purpose instead of your hands every time you shampoo. Scalp brushes are also often used to enhance the absorption of topicals, like I mentioned before. For example, topical minoxidil is notorious for being poorly absorbed. The average rate of topical absorption has been estimated at 1.4%, which is incredibly low. And when the scalp is shaved, this can actually increase to 2%, although that's still very low as well. Putting a plastic dressing like cellophane wrap over the scalp after application actually doesn't improve these results at all. Instead, many men have started using the scalp brush to increase that absorption. While we have no hard clinical studies on how effective this is, anecdotally, many men say that they can feel a difference. If you use the scalp brush before applying minoxidil, you'll definitely feel a difference when you apply that liquid. Perhaps most importantly, the manual stimulation by the bristles also stimulates blood flow into the scalp, which is obviously crucial if you're suffering from hair loss. Scientists have known for a long time, at least since the 1980s, that blood flow in a balding scalp is severely compromised. Compared to men with a healthy scalp, those who are balding have around 2.6 times lower subcutaneous blood flow. Furthermore, these changes appear to affect precisely those parts of the scalp that are balding, notably that frontal area. The sides of the head that are immune to baldness show normal blood flow. But the benefits of using a scalp brush might go beyond just improvements in blood flow. In 2016, a groundbreaking study out of Korea showed that regularly massaging the scalp can actually affect gene changes in genes of the dermal papilla cells. These are specialized cells at the base of the hair follicle that play a critical role in regulating the hair growth cycle. Possibly as a result of these genetic changes, the men in the study showed an increase in the average diameter of their hair shafts, namely thicker hair. Guys, if you don't have a scalp brush, head over to hairguard.com and get yours today. We have the best one to gently but effectively stimulate the scalp. And if you're interested in scalp massages, then also make sure you check out our brand new Growband Pro. If you're going to be using the scalp brush, you might as well be using the scalp massager as well. So guys, I just want to say that using a scalp brush, if you have male pattern baldness, is a really good option. You can basically massage the scalp a lot more effectively than just using your hands. You can really dig into the epidermis, scrape off any epidermis plaque, and massively increase the absorption of minoxidil, or as I prefer, Maxoxidil. You can actually feel a difference when you apply that topical product after using the scalp brush. You'll feel it sort of sting a little bit more, although it's not uncomfortable. And so you can definitely feel that it's improving the absorption quite dramatically. Okay guys, if you've got any questions about scalp brushes, leave them down below. I want to answer those questions, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.